Hey guys, so I have some goodies we're gonna unbox today, and the team's gonna explain everything that we have here, but just to preface, we have this AMS Alpha twin turbo kit for a Audi R8.
How's it going, everybody? Here we have a beautiful kit, something not to mess around with on the road. We have a R8 twin turbo kit. We have the fuel kit here, also have the exhaust, some beautiful intercoolers, and we also have two very big turbos that I definitely cannot afford, but I'll show you anyways. PSA, your S58 is low compared to this kit. Explain everything. What?
We're gonna explain all the parts we have here.
Camera shy. Uh-oh.